It's beautiful. But look like he or she not ready for the morning yet. Look, very calm. It's beautiful. Oh, you catch a fish. Catch a fish. Wow. Look at the mouth. Wow. Beautiful. He's still here. I already done my work, my run. He's still here. God. Try to catch the fish. A bit low tide this morning. Sunday is very high tide. We keep looking for the fish. Two big hurricane there, and all the clothes. I'm not quite sure. Oh, there. I can't believe they become friends. See the hurricane, the neck. Try to look. Oh, look for the human. What human? This human took a video of me.